You probably don't think twice about checking your phone the moment you wake up. Notifications, emails, news, it's all right there. But this small habit could be silently raising your stress levels, damaging your mental clarity, and setting you up for burnout. In this video, we're breaking down why grabbing your phone first thing spikes your cortisol levels, and how a few small changes can make a big difference in your brain health. What is cortisol? Cortisol is often called the stress hormone. It's produced by your adrenal glands and plays a vital role in regulating your energy, blood pressure, immune system, and, most importantly, your stress response. Each morning, your body naturally experiences a rise in cortisol to help you wake up and feel alert. This is called the cortisol awakening response, and it's totally normal. But when you throw in artificial stimulation, like news headlines, unread emails, and dopamine-triggering social media, you spike that cortisol even higher. It's like waking up to a fire alarm when you only needed a gentle nudge. What happens when you check your phone? First thing, the moment your brain sees notifications, it switches into reactive mode. That sense of urgency, new messages, breaking news, someone tagging you in a post, kicks off a stress response. Even if it's subtle, your body treats it like a threat. Cortisol spikes, your heart rate increases, your attention scatters. And because the brain is still transitioning from sleep, this overload is even more harmful. It puts you in a state of low-grade stress before you've even stepped out of bed. The worst part? You carry that stress state into the rest of your day. It affects your focus, your mood, and even your ability to handle normal tasks calmly. Social media and comparison fuel the fire. On top of all this, there's the emotional side. Opening Instagram or TikTok first thing can trigger social comparison, FOMO, or negative self-talk. You might see someone's highlight reel, vacations, perfect bodies, successful careers, and suddenly feel like you're behind. That psychological stress feeds directly into your body's cortisol production. Your day begins in a state of perceived inadequacy or anxiety, not calmness or control. And over time, this repeated cycle of phone first, stress second wires your brain to expect chaos the moment it wakes up. Long-term effects of morning cortisol spikes. Consistently spiking cortisol first thing in the morning doesn't just make you feel scattered, it actually impacts your brain structure. Studies show that chronic cortisol elevation is linked to impaired memory, anxiety, poor sleep, and weakened immune function. Your brain becomes less effective at handling stress overall, making it harder to focus, solve problems, or even enjoy downtime. And while this may sound extreme, it starts with something as small as opening your phone too soon. How to break the habit? Simple solutions. So how do you stop this pattern and give your brain the calm start it needs? The good news is, it doesn't mean giving up your phone completely. 1. Use a real alarm clock. Stop using your phone to wake up. That removes the temptation to immediately scroll. Keep your phone outside the bedroom or across the room if needed. 2. Delay screen time by 30 minutes. Give your brain time to fully wake up. Use that first half hour for something grounding. Drinking water, stretching, journaling, or just sitting in silence. 3. Let natural light. In natural morning light helps regulate cortisol naturally. Step outside, sit near a window, or open the blinds. This helps your brain wake up on its own without digital stimulation. 4. Turn on Do Not Disturb until you're ready. Schedule Do Not Disturb mode to stay on for the first part of your morning. That way, your phone isn't buzzing with notifications before you're ready to deal with them. 5. Create a calming morning routine. Your brain craves consistency. A simple ritual, like drinking tea, reading for 5 minutes, or doing breath work, can shift your whole day. It sends a signal to your nervous system. We're safe, we're in control, and there's no rush. What you gain when you change this habit? When you stop checking your phone first thing, everything shifts. You feel less rushed. Your thoughts are clearer. You start the day on your terms, not reacting to everyone else's. Cortisol stays balanced. Dopamine doesn't get hijacked. Your mind enters the day focused, not fractured. And that's the real power of a simple change. So the next time you wake up, resist the urge to grab your phone. Give your brain the peace it deserves. It's not just a small habit, it's a daily opportunity to protect your mental clarity, reduce stress, and start your day with purpose. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more science-backed health tips.